invite you to walk with me through this unique West Coast property, 934 Khenipson Rd. Escape to your own beautiful West Coast oasis and experience the breathtaking beauty of this dramatic and uniquely styled home. This 2.7 acre lot, looking out over the Cowichan Bay, is perfectly poised among protected Garry Oaks on a Gulf Island-like rural road, offering incredible privacy from adjoining properties. This is truly a nature's lover's paradise, with approximately 540 feet of ocean frontage. It comes complete with your very own boat ramp, serviceable dock, and a float for mooring or taking a refreshing dip. As you enter the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom main home, you'll be captivated by the great room. Its circular design and vaulted ceilings work together to maximize the spectacular and sweeping views of the Cowichan Estuary. The sunny, south-facing exposure of the property ensures sunlight pours into your open-concept living and dining room with floor-to-ceiling windows. Enjoy quiet mornings or evenings entertaining family and friends on your wraparound deck and patio. On the property, there is also a self-contained 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom guest cottage and is highly sought after for accommodation by vacationers. This property's access to the estuary and the beautiful deck are ideal for winding and relaxing in the beauty of nature. Watch as eagles and gulls soar by the deck and the herons and kingfishers perch on the dock. My name is Greg Dirksen from Coast Capital Realty, and if this property interests you and you'd like to take a better look, please reach out. Let's come take a look through.